Hello everyone. Welcome to e-learning of IT for 12th standard. This video is for 12th standard commerce students. We have started with the second chapter from syllabus, that is digital marketing. Today we are going to discuss a topic, that is paid search and organic search. In last lecture, we have discussed different channels in digital marketing, as well as we have discussed about a search engine, how it works, and how search engine plays an important role. That is, if we have a same content to search on a different search engines will give you different results, because search engine works on the processing of SEO, that is, which are the highest ranking website, that links or that kind of data will be provided as a result of your search. So search engine plays important role. Now in last lecture we have seen two different search engines, that is Google and Yahoo search engine, and how those two search engines gives you different result for the same search content. So Mr. Suhas says that it is crystal clear now how search engine plays important role in ranking the website. So in this way we have come to know that search engine plays an important role in ranking the website. So please tell me, shall I pay and rank my website, or is there any other way which is economical which I can use to rank without paying? So Mr. Suhas having query that how I can rank my website and which are the different ways to do so. So whether I can pay and rank my website, or any other way is there which is economical also, without paying we can rank our website. So for this question Dr. Ajay replies that there are two ways to rank website. One can pay and rank, and the other way is without payment. One can rank the website doing SEO process, that is nothing but organic search. So there are two different ways. One way is by paying something for ranking your website, and the other way is without payment. You can rank the website but you have to follow the SEO process. So in this way we can say there are two different types, paid search and second one is organic search. So let us discuss first paid search. So you can pay Google or any another search engine and rank your website on the top of search. To have a higher ranking of your website, you can pay for any search engine as like Google, Yahoo, Bing, etc. The keyword ad, see here AD, that is ad, mark in the diagram 2.5a shows that this site has paid Google search engine to rank him at the top. So let us see the figure 2.5a. So this is 2.5a. See here is the keyword, that is ad. So this link is with advertisement. So links with advertisements are called as a paid search. So see, one can pay for any search engine and rank the website at the top. There can be ad keyword or sponsored keyword. In this diagram we have seen ad keyword. Let us see second diagram 2.5b. You can see here sponsored keyword. So this keyword is also having a links with advertisement, so that is a paid search. So see here in figure 2.5b it shows the keyword sponsored, which is also a paid site to rank the images and information at the top. So to have higher ranking of your website, your data, you can pay for a search engine, and that search engine will give you rank at the top. That is about a paid search. See here two different types or two different examples of paid search are there. There can be ad keyword, that is links with advertisements. There can be sponsored keyword, so that your images, your data will be at the top of the search by using some search engine. So they have, that website have paid to the search engine to have a higher rank. Next one is the organic search. So figure 2.6, see here, there is no any keyword like ad or sponsored, but whenever user searches for laptop 2019, this is the result of that search. Here is no any keyword like ad and sponsored. So this is the link with organic search. This website has not paid anything for the search engine to have high rank. So the search website is so popular that many users must have visited it, and therefore it becomes popular and it is ranked by search engine on its first page. So this is the way which follows the SEO process. Many of the users, customers have visited that website, and that's why this website is now more popular. And that's why whenever user searches for such a kind of data, then that will be at the top of the search result. Why we must opt for the first 5 pages? Because as we go on, higher number of customer does not search those pages, or there are very less visitors as the page number grows. So first 5 pages have more options, or most of the user chooses the first 5 pages, because as soon as the number of pages increases, users does not visit those pages. So less visitors will be there as the page number grows. So this is about the organic search. So we discussed today that there are two types of search: paid search and organic search. Paid search is nothing but that if you want to have higher rank in the search engine, then you can pay for that search engine, so that your website will be at the top of the search result. That is about a paid search. In case of paid search, your links are specified with a ad keyword or sponsored keyword. And the second type is organic search. In case of organic search, they have followed the SEO process, and that's why many users have visited that site, and that site has now more popular. That's why whenever user will searches the same kind of data, that website will automatically come at the top of the search engine result. So that is a organic search. So this is the example of links with organic search. Thank you.